Coming to the stage, we have a very talented duo. And let me tell you, a lot of these artists, they're performers, but also they have lives too. Some of them are like executive director of organizations. They work, like maybe fellow Wells Fargo. I don't know what kind of bank they work for. They got jobs, they got bills, So anyways, I'm so honored to know these two individuals. And they're very talented, but those who are very active in starting one of the first organization nationally to acknowledge, to deal with, to acknowledge and recognize and celebrate gay pride and LGBT issues in the Hmong community. So, very talented, is Mr. Kevin Fong and Pada Lord with Shades of Yellow.
My name is Kevin Fong, and I am the Executive Director of Shades of Yellow, the first Hmong LGBT organization in the world. Shades of Yellow decided to co-sponsor this event because regardless of our sexuality, our gender, our race, our age, our sexual orientation, our identity, we all need to work together to build this movement and build a strong coalition to fight against police brutality and racial profiling. So,
this song was originally written by Shattered Echoes. It's called Bayhai. And I'm collaborating with Kevin especially for tonight, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
Inu the God.
Thank you.